In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add vertical text. So as an example, I prepared all of the days of the week. So I have from Monday to Sunday. And let's say I want to add here working days and here weekend. So firstly, I'm going to merge the first 5 cells of the working days. So I'm going to select them. I'm going to click on merge over here. So this is going to make it one cell so I can add longer text here. And now I'm gonna type working days like this. And now to make it vertical, we want to click on it. And here where you see AB with this blue arrow, which is orientation setting, you can click on it. And from here we have different options you can use. So you can rotate text down, you can rotate text up, you can do vertical text, you can make it clockwise or counterclockwise. So let's say I will choose rotate text up. So this is going to be like this. But you can also make it vertical. So you can click on vertical text. But this is going to be really large. So I need to expand those rows like this. And if I click on it, you can also center it. So you can click on this middle align. And this is going to make it perfectly centered. Now we can do the same with the Saturday and Sunday. So I'm gonna select those 2 cells. I'm gonna merge them in one. I'm gonna type weekend. And now I'm gonna click on it. And let's say for this one, we can do it like with rotate text up, like this. I'm gonna drag it a little bit so we can see the whole text. And this is it. So this is how you can rotate or how you can make your text vertical in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.